My aim is to improve police image through enhanced efforts of community-oriented, technology-driven, problem-oriented, and accountable policing. My name is Dr. Quraish Khan. I'm from Police Service of Pakistan, and currently I'm working as Assistant Inspector General of Police in Khyber, Pakhtunkhwa. I've done a Master in Criminology and Criminal Justice from King's College London. I'm a former Humphrey Fellow from the University of Minnesota, and I've done PhD from University of Peshawar. I served in the United Nations Development Program in the UNDP for 4 years as a national policing specialist. In the civil service, I come across some of the former Humphrey Fellows who inspired me, and they motivated me to go for the fellowship. In 2011, I was selected in the University of Minnesota, where I worked as a professional affiliate with the St. Paul Police Department. I independently established a police training institute for forensic science. It enabled the police officers to complete the basic training in forensic sciences. In 2019, when I was posted as the district police officer in Kurram, I realized that what we can add to the system, because there were levies and khasadar who were just doing the patrolling and just arresting of criminals, very limited work they were doing. So we independently started the first ever women reporting center in the tribal area of Pakistan. It was established in Padachinar, and that reporting center has played a very important role in the prevention of crime. That reporting center not only helped us reducing the domestic violence or the crime against women and girls, but that reporting center ushered in an era of gender-responsive policing. Then in the tribal district, we were also the first one that we established the Dispute Resolution Council over there. That Dispute Resolution Council is the community member provide services for solving the disputes of the community. We have also started a mentorship program to train the former levies and khasadar and to make them effective investigators. That mentorship program, the first of its kind in the province, where they will be trained by the experienced investigators. Humphrey Fellowship was like a life-changing opportunity for me. I learned how to bring improvements in the workplace. I learned innovations and improvisation at work. And when I came back to my home country, a lot of learning and skills I implemented in my work.